In this video, we'll be taking a look at how we change our kiosk into POS mode and then return back to our kiosk view. This is a function that we often do with our flip hardware devices. I'm going to triple tap the key located up in the top right-hand corner. After my 3 taps, I'll be shown the Enter or Scan Your Card to Log In window. I do need to have a manager level access to continue at this point, and you would normally swipe your employee card to continue. As I am in my demo environment, I'm going to enter my login number and choose Go. We can see now that I've got the POS login screen in the middle of my kiosk screen, and my screen is still in portrait mode. I'll enter my number or swipe my card again, and I'll now go into the admin screen. In the admin screen area, I have a number of different functions, and the function we'll be looking at today is to change my screen orientation. This will change from portrait into landscape mode, and I can then take my monitor from the top and bottom and physically rotate it into a horizontal or landscape alignment. I'll choose to change my screen orientation now, and as we can see, my POS screen has now filled the entire width of my landscape mode. I'll choose Yes to keep the current orientation, and I can now exit back to the home screen where I can proceed with additional functions in a cashier mode. I can view transactions, perform refunds or voids, or other administrative functionalities. Once I'm done and I'd like to return back to kiosk mode, I'll go back into my admin screen, and I'm going to change my screen orientation again. From here, I'll press the Change Screen Orientation, which will then change my screen from landscape back into portrait mode. As we can see, the POS screen is now floating in the middle of my kiosk window, and I'll choose Yes to keep the current orientation. My last step is to choose the Restart as Kiosk button to return me back into kiosk mode, ready for the next customer sale.